Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand video. Absolutely, I was not expected this type of moment from Bitcoin, but absolutely it will happen because this is the market my weather and we will expect anything. Okay, BTC is of course right now retest this level and completely return from, and they will give respect to this support level definitely because last time it was very badly crashed down, but again return to this zone. So let's see what is the next price target. But if you want future trading signal, I strongly recommend you to guys join my Telegram group. You will be print money like machine every day. Okay, link is in the description. Must join our Telegram community. Okay guys, so first of all, if you will look this time the trend current condition, so of course it was ready to trying to break this trend and pumping up. Okay guys, but I think this is too much hard, too much difficult to break this because of my weather. This time it was very badly crashed down also, so possibilities to it will do a breakdown and crash also, but right now it was trying to do a uptrend. So if it will break the trend, of course you will be long position from here, and I strongly recommend you to keep hold your long position from here. And the target was my brother 71724, which is crazy. Okay, thanks for watching everybody. Hope you enjoy video. Please like, subscribe and join Telegram community for future trading signals.